Hello guys, welcome to Momo Beginner Sewing. Today we are making this beautiful kaftan top, so stay tuned and watch this tutorial. You're watching Momo Beginner Sewings. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. Hello guys, today we are making a kaftan for 8-year girls, a baby girl. So let me start with the pattern explanation to you guys. As you can see, I'm done with my pattern here, and now I'm going to explain you as well. So the total size of the pattern is, the length of the pattern is 20 inch. The width of the pattern is going to be 12 inch. So basically you need a rectangular box which is going to be a 20 inch into 12. Now I'm going to tell you that how we are going to draw this of the curve of the neck. So as you can see, I have drawn the width of 3 inch and the height of the 6 inch. Okay, after doing that, I have just drawn the little bit curve over here. The curve in the top side, on the shoulder side, you can see that this is a little bit deeper. So the curve it should be 3.5 on the top area, and from the bottom it should be 3 inch, and in the result of that we got the 8.5 inch width of this top on the one side, of course. So this is the upper part that I have explained you over here. After that, you can see we have a little deeper kaftan over here. So the curve over here, so I have drawn 15 inch in a 45-degree angle. Okay, so you should have a 15 inch 45-degree angle, and you should then you can go ahead and just do a little bit curve over here by yourself according to you. It is just a simple arc, you can see that, of the 45 on the 45-degree angle. Okay, for better understanding, I have already explained you this pattern very beautifully, very nicely, and very in detail. But if you want, I am going to upload the different sizes of this particular kaftan on the craftsy.com, and you can download it from there as well. So let me start with the cutting phase. You can see that I have taken a beautiful fabric which has a little bit of crinkles on it. It is going to be a very nice boho look when we did pattern cutting over here, and the final look is going to be a complete chic on the jeans and the tops. So let me map the pattern over here, and then I'm going to start cutting. Now guys, we are starting with our shoulder part, and firstly we are starting with our sewing part. So firstly we are doing here our shoulder stitching. So this is a single seam which is going to have over there, and after doing that, this is our neck. You can see that after doing that, I am going to give the little bit of gathers on the neck, which I am going to tell you later on. Let me do a single seam over here on the shoulder. As you can see, I am done with my shoulder stitching, and this is our neck part. We are going to give the little bit gathers. I am giving the 3 gathers over here and going to tuck the pin over here. You can see I have just folded the number 1 and I have give the 1-inch fold to it. Now I am again fold the neck, and this you can see this is not overlapping it, but yet it is just near to it. And now the other one, it is little bit a clumsy part because this is a curved neck. Obviously neck is a curve, but it is a little bit difficult part to handle it because our fabric, it is a crinkle kind of fabric, a georgette one, so it is not easy to handle it. So try to use the good pins over here and use oftenly. You can see that, you can see this how it looks like. Now I'm going to do a similar thing on the other side as well. So guys, you can see that I am done with my all the gathers over here. I have given on the front bodice the 3 gathers, in total 6 gathers, and on the back bodice it is going to be a 6 gathers as well, 3 on the one shoulder, 3 on the one shoulder. So each shoulder is going to have a 3, in total a 12. So what I'm going to do, I am going to just going to have a little bit just going to give a bias tape touch over here and going to attach this bias tape and then going to fold it like that. If you haven't know how to make this bias tape and how to install this one on the fabric, you can go and watch the video, which link is showing in the top or in the description bar as well, in the suggestion as well. So just let me do this in a super fast way. So you can see guys that I am done with my bias tape attachment on the neck, and this is the look how it looks like. And after the completion of neck, we need to do our sides. So what we are going to do, we just need to, you can see that this is a pure hem, raw hem. So I'm going to do a simple overlock over here. If you don't have overlock machine, then you can use zigzag or rickrack sewing as well, cross stitch. And after doing that, after doing overlock, I am going to attach this particular kind of lace which has a good edgy border. You can see that this one side is a tip and other one is the borders kind of thing. So I am going to attach this as well. So let me do the firstly do the overlock and then going to attach this in a super simple way. Let me complete it. So you guys can see that I am done with my overlock, and after that I have attached this beautiful lace having a border with it. And after doing that, the final touch we need to do that I am going to give a single seam over here by having 4" away from the our side, and from the bottom we need to start from 11". You can see that till 11". Okay, this is a simple measurement I have shown you, 4" away from the side from the lace point and 11 till 11" from the bottom. And similarly goes for the other side. Going to measure it from the side, and then after the measurement I'm going to just do a simple seam over here. So this is a 4". You can see that I'm just marking it, and 11" from the bottom. We are done with our beautiful kaftan top. This is for 8 to 10 years girls, baby girls, and the bigger baby girls. So this one is really easy for you. You just need some fabric which has some drop fall in it, and we are done with our dress. Hope you liked this dress. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel. This is a custom pre-made dress, and its pattern can be downloaded from craftsy.com soon, and the craftsy.com link can be found in the channel's dashboard. So hope you guys like this tutorial, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to us, like this video, share this video as well. See you soon.